Today we have a 2015 Infiniti Q50. We'll be replacing the AC condenser since it is part of the dryer is part of the AC condenser. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna remove all these little clips here to remove this top cover. Now with the top cover removed, we're gonna remove the air cleaner box on this side here, held in with two number 10s, one here and one under this cover. We'll go ahead and unplug this, and then number 8 or flathead with the clamp here to free this up in there and spool it up. Now with the air cleaner box removed, with a number 10, we're going to remove the lines going to the condenser here and just swing that to the side. And then with a number 12, we're going to remove the upper retainer here for the radiator. One here, and I believe we might have to remove these here too. These number 10s, two number 10s here. And we should be able to pull this up and get out the way and expose the condenser, the radiator, everything right here. Alright, so once you remove those two 12s and the 10 right here, you just pick this up, slide it back. I did have this in there, which I am unfamiliar with. I'll just figure that out as I go later. But also, I did not have to remove this here. I guess I did or didn't, I'm not sure yet. But we will remove the number 10 there, hold the line to the condenser, unplug the pressure switch there as well, and then these two bolts here, I believe these are number 12 it looks like. Those brackets, we're just able to just slide this back, or push this back and slide it into. Okay guys, so one little problem down here. So after I remove that, and I'm pulling this back here, you can see. Now, this part jams on the air cleaner box on this side, and because it's this side, this has all this extra nonsense that literally hits right up on here. So what I'm going to do is just move these two 10s, get the air cleaner box. I ain't worried about moving it. We're just going to swing it upward just so I can push this radiator back a little bit more and slide all this out. Break this line in there. Let's go ahead and move the pressure sensor. It was kind of annoying to remove from here because it pretty much got stuck on the O-ring on the condenser side. So it does kind of work out when you remove these lines here so you can manipulate it a little bit more. So I guess it's kind of a good thing I did do that. But yeah, as you can see, I kind of scratched it up trying to get it out. So I'm going to try to clean that up there too. But let's go ahead and get this out. And then it should give us an extra little clearance that we need to slide this. Alright, got my condenser out here. Just slid it right out. One extra FYI. I did pull this out here just to give myself a little more clearance to get the pressure switch out. So now I'm going to transfer the pressure switch over, as well as I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pull this little connector for the line out here. I guess not, but we're going to go ahead and replace the O-ring there as well. So go ahead and replace the O-rings and swap the pressure switch over and get the new ones. Okay guys, so a new condenser is in, number 10 volt, new O-rings on the line there, and new O-ring on the pressure switch and connected in. Number 12 back in the bracket. I guess that is 12 earlier 10s. Apologize for that. Go ahead and push that back in. All that's in. So now basically you're going to reinstall everything and we'll be done. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe for more videos.